Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I just want to faceless thing because I want to tell you something that I just recently confused a little bit about how to kick someone from my Discord server. So here the tutorial how to doing that. Of course, firstly you open your Discord on your mobile phone. For me, I'm using Android. I think it's supposed to be similar if you are using iPhone. And then you click your server, and then firstly, I confuse which have to click, and then you just tap in on your detail of your server, and then find this setting. Okay, find this setting, click setting, and then scroll down until you can find the members. See this one, the members. You have tap on that one, and then you just locate which person you want to kick, or you could ban him from your server. So in later after it kick, if you generate your Discord server link, she or he wouldn't or couldn't join your server anymore. And also there are the option of transfer ownership. So here the tab you want to manage the member on your Discord server. So that's it. Very simple tutorial, and I hope you could get. Uh, I hope it's useful for you. If it's it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.